pleasant day to each and everyone. One of our chosen company is Chanel brand. So let us know first what is Chanel brand is all about. Chanel is renowned luxury fashion and lifestyle brand founded by Gabrielle Coco Chanel in Paris, France in 1909. It is known for its timeless elegance, sophisticated design, and high quality craftsmanship. Chanel offers a wide range of products, including ready to wear clothing, accessories, handbags, fragrance, cosmetics, and fine jewelry. So, these are their products: bags, makeups, perfumes, heels, and so on. So, let us talk about their harbor. So, first, expansion into emerging markets. So, it is all about Chanel can also explore growth opportunities in emerging markets, such as example country like China, India, and Brazil, where they can rising affluent class with an increasing appetite for luxury goods. Next is product diversification. So it can also collaborate with influencers like artists or designers to create a limited edition collection or a capsule collaborations that can also appeal to a younger trend focused consumers. Next is online presence. It can also enhance the brand's digital presence by using investing or in user-friendly commerce platform like a mobile app development, and a social media engagement. Next is sustainability initiatives. So as a consumers, it becomes more environmentally conscious. There is an opportunity for Chanel to incorporate sustainability into its business practices and product offerings. Next is experiential retail. So by enhancing the retail experience through their immersive and personalized experience in flagship stores or pop-up events, it can also deepen customer engagement and loyalty. It can also create memorable and brand interactions. Next, let's talk about the wind. What's propelling us toward the harbor, or what's been working for us? So first, let's tackle about brand reputation. Here in brand reputation, no, it can leverage the strong brand reputation by continuing their uphold the heritage and exclusivity associated with Chanel brand. Next is timeless design. So it can also capitalize an enduring appeal of classic Chanel styles, while it can also introducing limited edition collections and a collaborations to attract diverse consumer segments. Next is the quality craftsmanship. So here in quality craftsmanship, no, it can maintain certain quality control measures and invest in art- artist training programs to ensure consistency and excellence in craftsmanship. Next is iconic design. Chanel has created iconic design that have stood the test of time, such as their classic Chanel suit, the quilted handbag, and the little black dress, cementing its status as a fashion powerhouse with a distinctive and recognizable aesthetic. Last is exclusive image and heritage. Chanel's, as we all know, no, Chanel's rich heritage and aura of exclusivity contribute its allure by attracting customers who is inspired to be associated with its prestigious image and storied history. Next, let's talk about their anchors. What's holding us back? What might be solved or innovative? Their high, as we all know, no, the Chanels have a high price point, a limited variety, and a vulnerability to counterfeiting. So that is their anchors. Next is the iceberg. What threats are we facing? What future risks should be considered? First is competition. So by competition, it can also help by conducting a regular competitor analysis to stay abreast of industry trends and consumer preferences. Next is action plan. Through action plan, we can monitor competitor product launches, marketing campaigns, and pricing strategies to use to identify their potential threats and opportunities. Next is economic downturns. So in economic downturns, it can be diversify revenue streams by expanding into adjacent product categories such as their cosmetics, fragrance, or accessories. Last is counterfeiting. So here in counterfeiting, it can strengthen the legal enforcement efforts to combat counterfeit production, including pursuing legal actions against counterfeiters and educating consumers about the risk of purchasing fake products, especially in online, no? Uso talaga yung mga fake na products. So we should avoid that one. So in problem prioritization, I put here the anchors and the iceberg, which is the high price point, limited variety, vulnerability to counterfeiting, competition, and economic downturns, and also the counterfeiting. So in problem sensing, I put here in my fishbone diagram, which is the most um, kailangan nila um, kailangan nila actionan itong anchors at ang kanilang iceberg, which is the market expansion, brand repetition, high price point, and competition. Which is in market competition, it has product diversification, sustainability initiative, while in brand repetition, it has quality craftsmanship, timeless design, and for high price point, vulnerability to counterfeiting, and limited variety. And for the competition, it includes the economic downturns and counterfeiting. For my solution design, so the tool is HRD plan. So to determine the goals of the team, including the objectives, time, duration, and lead implementer. So first, the competition and its solution. So here in competition, it can also help the market research, differentiation strategy, brand building, agile approach, and partnership collaboration. Next, for economic downturns, I just listed here three anchors. Second is iceberg. Second is economic downturns, which is the solution design. It can also help diversification, cost optimization, financial planning, customer retention, and also flexibility. Next, the last one is counterfeiting. It can help intellectual property protection, supply chain transparency, consumer education, and last one is collaboration with authorities. So, in a conclusion, no, Chanel is a brand with formidable strengths, including its timeless elegance, high quality craftsmanship, iconic design, and exclusive heritage. However, it faces threats such as intense competition, shifting consumer preferences, economic uncertainties, and challenge of maintaining exclusivity in a dynamic market. So, lahat ng company is nararanasan talaga yung ganito, especially na yung mga competition. To capitalize on future opportunities, Chanel could focus on expanding into emerging markets, embracing digital innovation, implementing sustainability initiatives, diversifying its product offerings, and enhancing the retail experience, and also by leveraging its strengths and addressing their potential weaknesses. So, Chanel can navigate the competitive landscape effectively and sustain its position as a leading luxury fashion and lifestyle brand in the years to come. That's all my report. Thank you.